Let me show you what happened last year to this shy country boy.
Folks, you know that this guy is single. And I just want you to know that if I was 20 years younger and I was single, and you like little blondes with the big hair and big ideas, that I would be giving you a run for your money. Randy Travis!
You suppose he's recovered yet? Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Travis.
Hi, Randy.
Oh, no.
I just wanted to come out here and make sure that you didn't need me. You think
well,
you
I
need
might.
Me? You might? I'm not really going to horn in on your part. I just wanted to come out and say hi and just kind of...
Great to see you.
Okay. The devil made me do it.